Good morning, first grade. Today we have another vocabulary assessment for some of the words that we have been learning in Module 3. So this is in your fourth supply box folder. So it is still, we're still finishing up some work in the blue supply box folder. If you go into it, it is on the side with the math, reading, and writing assessments, and it is on a yellow piece of paper and it looks just like this, and it's 31B, Direct Vocabulary Assessment 2. All right, and there's a front and a back all on one page. So if you need to pause and go ahead and grab that paper, you can do that, and then we will quickly review the words and then go ahead and get started. All right, so just a quick review of the words that we have learned about this time. Brave, right? In Brave Irene, Irene was brave to get the dress to the Duchess. In other words, she was showing courage. She did something even though she could be scared, right? That could have been a scary situation. So it's to do something even though you may be scared, to have courage, to be brave. The next word, resent. Resent means to be, angry, upset about something that has happened. Determination. I would say Brave Irene also showed a lot of determination, right? As did the boy who harnessed the wind. It's not giving up. It's just sticking with something, never quitting. That's determination. Magic. We talked a little bit about magic with the boy who harnessed the wind. And magic, again, is when something happens or there are forces at work that can't be explained by science or can't be explained by like factual, real things. So that's magic. We also learned about the word rearrange, and we know that the root word is arrange, which is to kind of put in order, organize. To rearrange means to arrange again. So when we have that prefix re, it means again, to do something again. And we learned the word shiver, right? That's something that we might do if we're cold. We would shiver if we're cold, maybe if we're scared too. And one other word that's not on this page, we have scorched. So the sun scorched the ground, the dirt, the earth in The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind. That means to like burn it, dry it up. That's scorched. Burn, to get really hot and kind of burn up, dry up. All right, so those are some of those great vocabulary words that we've learned. And now let's go ahead and you need to grab the paper and grab a pencil. And if you remember, I'll read the word and then I'll ask a question and you circle either yes or no, depending on what the question is. So this first one, our example is angry, angry. And the question might be, could a person be angry if someone else dropped their birthday cake? Might a person get angry if someone else dropped their birthday cake? Yes or no? Yeah, I would say yes. We could say that someone might get angry if someone else dropped their birthday cake. So I am circling the yes, the smiley face, and the yes, and I'm going to leave the no alone. And let's go ahead and move to the first question. Okay, so number one, the word brave. The question is, can you be brave? Yes or no? Brave. Can you be brave? Yes or no? And just listen to how that's worded. It's not saying, are you brave or have you been brave? It's saying, can you be brave? Yes or no? Okay, number two. Number two is the word resent. Resent. And the question is, can a rock resent someone? Can a rock resent someone? Yes or no? Okay, number 3 is the word determination. And the question is, do people have determination? Yes or no? Do people have determination? Yes or no? Number 3. Okay, moving on to number 4. Number 4 is the word magic. And the question is, does William believe in magic? Yes or no? Does William believe in magic? Okay, number 5. Number 5 is the word rearrange. And the question is, can you rearrange the mountains? Can you rearrange the mountains? Yes or no? Okay, and number 6, we're at the end of the front page. The word is shiver. And the question is, can you shiver in the snow? Can you shiver in the snow? Yes or no? All right, when you're ready, we'll go ahead and flip over to the next page. All right, so we are at the top of the back page and we're on number 7, and the word is scorched. And the question is, can the grass be scorched? Can the grass be scorched? Okay, moving on to number 8. It is the word resent. And the question is, can you resent someone? Can you resent someone? Yes or no? Okay. Number 9, rearrange. So number 9 is the word rearrange. Can you rearrange books? Yes or no? Can you rearrange books? All right, moving on to number 10. Number 10 is the word magic. And the question is, can dogs do magic? Can dogs do magic? Yes or no? Number 11 is the word scorched. Scorched, number 11. And the question is, was Irene scorched in the snow? Yes or no? Was Irene scorched in the snow? Okay, number 12. The question is shiver, or the word is shiver. I'm sorry. The question is, can a palm tree shiver? Shiver. Can a palm tree shiver? Number 13. Number 13 is the word brave, and the question is, can cars be brave? Yes or no? Can cars be brave? All right, and last one, number 14, we're on the last one of the second page or the back page. The word is determination, and the question is, do clouds have determination? Yes or no? Do clouds have determination? Yes or no? All right, great job, first grade. If you could please just take a quick picture of the front and the back and post it to the Seesaw activity like you normally do, that would be great. And I'll talk to everybody soon. Great job.